Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app. Appointment action automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then you click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Then you will load your page and then search for the custom page of the app and you see this interface with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to start your journey is right in here. We have the smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup button, insert your email, then you click on Complete Setup, and your app will be successfully set up and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call with the support team. We have the feature which is called the changelog, where you can track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and then click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.